Alright, so here are the options I set in the game. So I basically left everything on normal. I set compatibility to nothing special here. But what I did try is with or without these options. I also tried with game mode run here. And in compatibility I tried the GE Proton 718, I tried Proton Experimental 702 and 6.3, and the result is always the same. So this is it, and I'm recording a log right now. Now this is my NVIDIA configuration, just in case this is relevant in any way. I mean, you guys can pause the video and just look at the different settings here. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. If any of this is necessary for you guys, then I'll copy it and paste it online. Alright, so that's that, and we're going to start with just not using the HDMI device, but just using speakers. Here, the USB headphone, and I'm going to play the game, which is going to take a while because it's not on an NSD at the moment. Dum de dum de dum de dum de dum de dum de dum. There. So I'm hearing the sound in my headphones. So yay, happiness. Yada 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 yada. Blah 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 blah. Right, here we go. So I can enter gameplay. I know that works. I'm not going to show it to you now. Just yes. Bye bye. Sound is gone. Game is gone. So now I'm going to switch to my HDMI and just
rear, left, rear, right, side, left, front, right.
So all of these speakers work. So you know, I just pressed rear left and the sound came from the rear left. Now I'm going to start the game again. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I'm not hearing any sound. You're not hearing any sound. And this is where the whole story ends. I actually this morning I let this sit for about an hour and nothing else happened. So it's just gonna be this pink screen forever and ever. So, well, you know, that's the end of the story. No surround sound for me. It would be great if we could find any workaround, anything to get this game running in surround sound, because surround sound is awesome. Thank you. Bye.